Hey everybody, I wanted to make this quick video about some issues that have been coming up with several students in both my classes. So this video is for the ARC Software 2 class as well as the electrical and mechanical class. So I'm going to use this curtain wall file here as an example, but the same process will work for both classes. So the issue that students are having is, hey, there is a door type or there's a certain family type that's in this file, but I need it in this file and it's not in this file. And different techniques that we've gone over, like copying, pasting, seems to not be doing it. So I have another way to do this because, as in all technical computer things, there's 10 ways to do the same thing. So let's just do it together, and I think this way will probably be more clear and also more helpful, and will ensure that you get the result you're looking for. Okay, so I'm just going to start a new file, new project, and I'm just going to do a default template. So this file will represent the place where you want to use the new families. Okay, so just to show you, in this file that has what we want, we have a curtain wall with some doors in here. We have a double door here and a single door here. You can see that a little better in the floor plan, the double door and the single door. And in a new file, these families of curtain wall doors aren't in there. Okay, so let me close that view. So I'm going to go to the new file, and I'm just going to draw a curtain wall really quick. Just a simple curtain wall storefront. Oh, let's see, 20 feet long. All right, let's look at that in 3D. There it is. Okay, looks pretty good. Hey, gee, you know what I'd like to do? I'd like to make a double door right in this panel right here. All right. I'd like that to be a double door, not a piece of glass. How do I get that in this project, that family type in this project? So here's the best way to do it. I'm going to close that. So this is the file that has the double door. What I'm going to do is go look in the project browser here under families. So if I hit the plus button next to families, these are all the families that are currently loaded into this project, into this simple curtain wall project where I have these two floating curtain walls. I'm going to go down and go to doors and expand it. And I see I have door, curtain wall, double, door, curtain wall, single. So these are the two families that I want. So what I'm going to do is expand those. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to right click. Or rather, I'm going to click on don't expand it actually. Just click on that first part, right click and hit save. And this is going to save a family file that I'm going to just put on my desktop for now. So double storefront. And I'm going to go to the single one. I'm going to right click and do save. And I'm going to save that family on my doorstep right there. Save, or on my desktop right there. So I'm done with this file. I got what I wanted, and I'm going to close it. All right, now I'm in my new file, and let me just show you making these into doors. This is the process. I'm going to unpin this mullion down here and delete it. And then I'm going to tab till I select this panel, and I'm going to unpin it so I can use my type selector, because when it's pinned, it's sort of locked in place, and you can see the type selector, so I can't do anything up there. So I'm going to unpin it. Now, if I want to change that to doors, there's nothing in here to do that. It's like it wants to change the wall. There's some other, I can change it to a solid panel, but not a glazed panel, but I can't change it to a door. Okay, so we need to load those families we just saved out of the other project. So I'm going to go to Insert, Load Family. I'm going to go to Desktop. Let's see if I can grab both of those guys, and I'm just going to hit Open. Okay, looks like something happened, but It's not telling me to do anything. I just saw the little circle symbol, like it was thinking, and then it stopped. What happened was those families were just loaded in. I can double check by going to my families in this file, going to doors, and yeah, they're actually in this file now. So when I select this panel, I can go up to properties and go to the type selector, and yep, lo and behold, now I have the option. So I'll pick these double doors, and now I have double doors in there for my curtain wall. So that is the easiest way, I think, to sort of move from one project to another. So you could export families from a file that you know you have families in that you want to use, and then you can insert those families after you save them out in your new file. So I know Stacy in electromechanical has asked me this question. So this is exactly what you could do with the diffusers for the mechanical system. So give that a whirl and see if it works. And if it doesn't, of course, chat me up.